Most drivers think their brand new car will only fail because of some factory defect. The truth? Factory issues account for just 12% of early breakdowns. That means you're carrying 88% of the risk every single time you get behind the wheel. In this video, we're exposing 17 hidden driving habits that can destroy your car well before 50,000 miles. Some will cost you a few $100 to fix. Others will wreck your engine, trash your transmission, and absolutely demolish your credit score. And at the very end, I'll reveal the single mistake that totaled a car in under 3,000 miles. Number 17, warming your car wrong during winter. You've probably heard that 75% of engine wear happens right after startup. But it's not flipping the key or pushing the start button that's the villain, it's what you do in those critical first moments. Two big mistakes destroy engines here. First, excessive idling. It leaves raw, unburned fuel washing down the cylinder walls, fouling spark plugs and poisoning the exhaust. Worse, it creates moisture and carbon sludge that contaminates your oil, leading to internal corrosion that can eat an engine alive in just 5 years. Second mistake, revving the engine cold. It takes 10 to 30 seconds for oil to reach the piston rings, camshaft, bearings, and turbo. Rev too early and you're creating metal-on-metal grinding that can destroy rod bearings and score the crankshaft. A full engine rebuild, easily $5,000 or more. Here's the right way: let it idle 30 to 60 seconds max, then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. Keep revs moderate until the engine reaches full operating temperature. Number 16, frequent short trips. If most of your driving is under 10 miles, you basically bought a high-mileage car on day one, whether you realize it or not. Short trips never let the engine and fluids reach proper temperature, and that creates 3 major problems. First, moisture from combustion never burns off. It mixes with oil and forms sludge, corroding everything from the crankcase to the exhaust. Second, incomplete combustion sends raw fuel past the rings into the oil, thinning it and slashing its ability to protect vital parts. Third, your catalytic converter never hits the 150 degrees F it needs to clean emissions, so it clogs and fails, often a $2,000+ repair, sometimes double that depending on your vehicle. Fix it by combining errands, taking the longer scenic route when possible. Number 15, lugging the engine. Manuals are raw, engaging, and rewarding until you lug the engine in too high a gear at low speed. That chugging, shaking, knocking feeling isn't normal, it's your engine screaming for mercy. Lugging causes uncontrolled combustion spikes, especially in turbo cars, which can bend rods, crack pistons, or detonate the engine in as little as 30 minutes of abuse. It also starves bearings of oil pressure, leading to catastrophic contact between crankshaft and journals. Listen to the engine, downshift when it starts to labor. If you're new to manuals, master the rev matching and proper gear selection, your transmission will thank you. Number 14, resting on the gear shift. It feels convenient, maybe it even looks cool resting your hand there, but constant pressure on the shifter is silently destroying your transmission. Even light force pushes the selector fork against the synchronizer collar. These parts are built for momentary contact only. Prolonged pressure creates heat, and where that leads to grinding shifts, popping out of gear, or getting stuck. On the highway, a sudden neutral slip can be deadly. You'll hear strange noises and feel resistance when shifting. That's your warning. Get it fixed before a full transmission failure. Speaking of disasters waiting to happen. Number 13, leaving the car in park without the handbrake. Manufacturers have recalled millions of vehicles over the years: Kia, Ford, Mazda, Toyota, Mitsubishi, because drivers trusted park alone on hills. The parking pole is just a small metal piece holding back thousands of pounds. On an incline, it takes massive stress and can shear off. Suddenly your car is rolling free. Repair costs run into the thousands, and the potential for injury or worse is real. Proper technique: stop, apply the handbrake first, shift to neutral, then into park. This puts the load on the brakes instead of that tiny pawl. Later I'll expose another dangerous gear habit, but first, something that can kill an engine in under 20,000 miles. Number 12, overusing launch control. Launch control exists for the track, not stoplight heroics. Manufacturers limit it for good reason. Some systems cut out after 50 uses, others around 250. Abuse it and you'll void warranties while destroying clutches, transmissions, driveshafts, and axles. Repeated hard launches create enormous shock loads. Do it back to back and you risk limp mode or total gearbox failure well before 20,000 miles. Read your owner's manual. Respect the limits. Fun shouldn't cost you a $10,000 repair bill. Let's talk about what you feed your car. Number 11. Using low-quality fuel. Carbon buildup starts affecting performance as early as 30,000 miles with poor gas. Top-tier fuel, backed by major automakers, contains far more effective detergents. Independent tests show non-top-tier gas creates up to 19 times more deposits. That means more frequent expensive professional cleanings, often around $1,000. Spend the extra few cents per gallon on quality fuel. Your engine, injectors, valves, and catalytic converter will stay cleaner longer. But there's another fuel-related mistake that's even more common. Number 10. Constantly driving with low fuel. That miles to empty light tempts too many drivers to push it to the limit. The gauge isn't perfectly accurate and running near empty is terrible for your fuel pump. The pump relies on fuel for cooling and lubrication. Low levels make it overheat and wear out prematurely, cutting its normal 100,000-plus mile life in half. A new pump runs about $1,000, but a failing one can strand you or cause dangerous stalling in traffic. Keep at least a quarter tank, never below an eighth if you can help it. Number 9. Using the wrong oil viscosity. Modern engines have incredibly tight tolerances. Using the wrong weight like 10W40 when your manual calls for 0W20 causes oil starvation during cold starts, poor flow, overheating, and increased friction. This can warp heads, crack blocks, damage variable valve timing systems, and even affect the transmission. Some engines suffer major damage in under 15,000 miles. Always check the oil cap for the exact spec and do a full flush if you've used the wrong oil. Next is another fluid-related trap many fall for. Number 8. Using cheap aftermarket additives. The additive aisle is full of bold claims: 20% better mileage, miracle cleaners, restored power. Most mechanics call them snake oil for good reason. Many do nothing or worse, cause damage. Quality engine oil and top-tier fuel already contain effective additives. That said, there are legitimate products that genuinely help decarbonize and restore efficiency when used correctly. Do your research, stick to reputable ones, and avoid the junk that can gum up your engine. Number 7. Driving aggressively. We all love the thrill, but treating every drive like a qualifying lap destroys components fast. Hard acceleration and brutal braking slash fuel economy by 30–40%, generate extreme heat in brakes up to 500 degrees F, warp rotors, and chew through pads and suspension. Constant stress also murders engine mounts, transmissions, and drivetrain parts. Aggressive driving is a leading contributor to early component failure and higher accident risk. Drive with purpose but respect the machine. Number 6. Using cheap jumper cables. Dead battery, cheap cables, or reversed polarity can fry sensitive electronics, ECUs, airbags, modules. Modern cars have 3,100+ control units. One wrong jump can melt wiring or create expensive fires. Invest in quality cables, solid copper, good clamps. Learn the correct order: red to dead positive, red to good positive, black to good negative, black to unpainted metal on the dead car. Number 5. Overloading your car. Exceeding your gross vehicle weight rating. Check the door jam sticker, hammers suspension, brakes, tires, and drivetrain. Shocks and springs wear out quickly. Repairs can exceed $2,000. Overloaded vehicles handle poorly, take longer to stop, and increase rollover or crash risk dramatically. Pack smart and know your limits. Number 4. Using the wrong tire pressure. Tire problems cause thousands of accidents yearly. The number on the tire sidewall is the maximum, not the recommendation. Check the driver's door jam sticker for your specific size. Check pressures monthly when cold. Underinflation causes heat buildup, blowouts, poor handling, and terrible fuel economy. The low-pressure light means you're already 25% low, dangerously so. Proper pressure saves fuel, improves safety, and protects your suspension. Number 3. Riding the clutch. Resting your foot on the clutch pedal even lightly keeps the release bearing pressed against the pressure plate. That constant friction destroys the throwout bearing and clutch prematurely. Many drivers need a $2,500 clutch job by 40,000 miles because of this habit. Keep your left foot planted on the dead pedal when not shifting. Number 2. Shifting from drive to reverse before a complete stop. This might be the most expensive common mistake. Shifting between drive and reverse while still moving forces the transmission to act as a brake, slamming gears, synchronizers, and shafts. Repetition destroys the gearbox, driveshaft, and axles. Repairs can hit $7,000, always come to a full stop first. Number 1. Using cheap aftermarket performance chips. Cheap tunes and performance chips promise big power gains by altering timing, boost, and fueling. Without supporting hardware upgrades, they destroy engines, blown pistons, cracked blocks, melted components. Many void warranties and lead to insurance claim denials. One bad tune can end your engine in just a few thousand miles. If you want real performance, work with reputable shops that match tunes to proper supporting mods. There you have it, 17 habits that quietly destroy cars every day. Break these now and you'll keep your vehicle reliable, safe, and valuable for years longer. If you're thinking about modifications for your new car, watch this next video first so you don't make expensive mistakes. Drop your biggest takeaway or worst habit in the comments. I read every single one. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more expert car saving advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive smart out there.